Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this gorgeous desk. It is so pretty. I love the details of the front, the drawer pulls, and the texture on this. It has an easy to reach outlet on the top. And as you can see behind me, you plug it in here so then you don't have to fumble behind your desk. It's really beautiful. So let's take some looks and stay tuned to the end because I will show you how easy it is to put together.
All right, this desk is 58 inches. It is made of engineered wood, and this is the natural oak color. I'm going to show you what it looks like in different lights too. Here are all of your outlets and your USB ports and that nice hole if you do have a computer that you want to fish the cords down the back. I love all of the storage on this, especially this gigantic file drawer at the bottom. You can see this is the bar that is adjustable depending on what size of files that you prefer. It is just so modern, so elegant, and it really does work in just all spots in your home, whether that's your study, living room, or a bedroom. Look how easy this is. No more fumbling for cords, and you have the USB ports as well, so you can sit down and get right to work because everything is going to be powered on and charging while you are working. This is such a nice size. I do love it because you can have the computer on here, a lamp, and also a notebook, and you still have space. Plus, with all of those drawers, you will be able to keep everything neat and tidy and away so that your workspace and your room will be clean and looking amazing. Here is another look from a different angle. I just love the sleekness of the desk. And while it's sleek, you do have so much workspace. This really does fit in so many spots. This is a little teeny tiny spot that I needed a desk in, and it is working beautifully. This again is 58 inches long, 22 inches wide, and 30 inches high. So you have a nice deep space, but it's not so deep as to take up too much of your room. Let's take a look at the actual top and the color so that you can get a good look at this. You have this faux wood grain. It looks real. And depending on the light, the color looks a little different. And I just wanted to show you this so that you have a good idea that this could vary a little bit in different lights, from that bright blue light to more of that warm light. It looks gorgeous in any light. Loving it. Now let's put it together. Okay, to assemble, everything comes with the kit that you need. You don't even need tools. You even get a screwdriver. You always want to start by just unpacking everything, find the instructions, get rid of all the garbage, and then you are ready to go. Make sure you have enough time because this does take a little bit of time. So you're going to go ahead and start by putting in the wooden pegs and the metal pegs on the top. You can choose whether to put the drawers on the left or right, so decide that. And then you are going to construct the frame. You can see you have that little bit of a support there. And then we are going to add the part for the drawers. And then you are going to continue with the drawer part. I did get a little confused here and I had to switch them around. So make sure you really take your time with that and make sure that you have everything lined up correctly so you avoid my mistake. And then here we are. Everything is all together. I'm ready to put the drawers in. You do repeat the drawer situation 3 times. And I love the drawers. It's so great when you have a desk. And on this bottom one for your files, you can choose where to put those bars depending on your file size.